Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trendy dancer. Yeah man, people, bless up on yourself and like the usual and thing. You see me? So today video a mad thing. And from here me say a mad thing, a mad thing. You see me? So Madonna sets up son visit Jamaica, dog, to celebrate her birthday, and me as a dancehall and Jamaican vlogger. You see me? But I gotta tell no lie, man. Acknowledge this big time, yo. Cause me a young youth, you know, me not go around that. You see when me born, no, I didn't even have put it there. So before my band, that woman is a star. And things that must do. And the mark she left, although in a sense, should have look demonic, Illuminatis. In a sense, I didn't put them things that past them, but put all of that one side right now. You see that woman and people, she named Madonna. And before my born till now, this woman have this thing which look different from everybody. She just have that Jaja. You see me? Marvelous. She just look like a born queen from one of them Egyptian people. They are she brown, but she have that look of black thing about her. I like that. You see me? So anyway, she visit the place on holiday and thing for her birthday. So it look like she roll with her husband and thing differently. So far, welcome to Jamaica, Madonna, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay. You see me? But so far she have a nice time, as you can see, and no more chat things she share with the people them already. Cause she not there and act like she not there, you get me? She there and make the people them know. Yeah man, people, and like me say, she forward out to celebrate her birthday, and she turned 62 today. Basically, yeah. So the mother of 6 commemorated her special day with her children and dancer Alam Lamik Williams, who she said to be dating. So we don't see that them close a certain way, we can see that. As we saw on social media, a few photos of the occasion, including pics of her twin daughters Esther and Stella, a short video of Madonna and Williams sitting. So unconfirmed reports indicate that the event was held at the exclusive Tyrrell Club in one of the videos that panned the exterior of the resort at which Madonna was staying. You see me? So the people them see some sign and thing where in the place where she there and pinpoint out where she there, is it? Every day I just rate my culture more and more. I swear guys, so at the end of the video this, so please consider like, subscribe and share to a friend or a family.